Welcome to the Heart of Sound and to the new moon in Libra. This sign starts as we greet the equinox, spring for the Southern Hemisphere and autumn in the Northern. And whichever hemisphere we are in, it is a time of equal day and night. This awareness of equality and measurement is carried through with the symbol for Libra, which is the weighing scales. Libra is ruled by the planet Venus, bringing the themes of harmony and beauty to the fore. And Libra is an air sign, so with Venus, it affirms the beauty and balance of the mind. It represents finding our truth and authenticity in all our relations, through clear, honest communication that promotes peace and fairness. Given that Libra is all about peace, balance and harmony, both in the mind and in relationship to others, for the visualization we will be asking, is there a way of thinking or a relationship of any kind where we need to create balance and harmony, or simply to make peace? But as always, we will begin with a short body relaxation, where we will be exploring the ideas of balance within our body. From there, we will move into the visualization and then into the sounds, after which there will be a few minutes silence before we return. So let's begin by getting comfortable. Whether you are sitting or lying down, make sure that you are warm and you will not be disturbed. And take a big slow breath in, breathing all the way down through your body. Feel your belly expanding, and then when you breathe out, feel yourself sinking down into the floor or the chair. Breathe in again. Follow the flow of your breath. And on every out-breath, allow yourself to let go and release a little bit more than before. So we are going to connect to our bodies by exploring our own sense of balance and symmetry, comparing right and left sides, front and back, top and bottom. And at every place we put our attention, just notice how these places are for you. How do they balance each other? So begin at the top of the head. Breathing in here, and on the out-breath, move down to the forehead and just notice the left and right sides of the forehead. Breathing down into both eyes. Again, just quickly noting how they feel without having too many thoughts or judgments, just noticing. And then moving down to the cheeks, to both ears, the right and left nostrils, the two sides of the lips, going down through the chin, and being aware of the left and right sides of the throat, moving down and across to both shoulders, left and right shoulders, going down the upper arms, both of the elbows, the lower arms, the wrists, the hands, and going right to the tips of the fingers and the thumbs on both hands. And being aware of the left and right sides of the ribs, both sides of the diaphragm, the left and right sides of the lower belly, moving down to the left and right hips, both of the thighs, to the knees, lower legs, the ankles, the left and right feet. Now compare the head with the feet, and then widen that out to the upper and the lower body. Breathing in and breathing out. Then breathing in, and as you do, notice the entire left and right sides of your body. Keep your attention on your breath and notice if the air flows equally down both sides. And then do the same with the front and the back of the body. Just stop a moment and ask yourself, does one side or one part of your body call you more? And if so, breathe into these areas, just intending balance and peace throughout the body. Then finally breathe into the whole body, from the head to the toes, including the sides, the front and the back. Breathing out, letting go further. And just for a moment, just be aware of how you are now compared to when you first began. So now becoming aware of your upper chest and shoulders, and breathe into this area, just allowing it to relax and to open and to widen. And do this a few times. And then again breathing down into your belly. As you do, feel the air travelling down to this area, feeling your belly expand. And as you breathe out, release and let go. And take your attention to the area of your body that feels like it is your centre. And that may be in the middle of your chest, near your heart, or it may be elsewhere. So go to where you are instinctively drawn, knowing that our centre may not be a fixed point and may change location over time. And again, find a rhythm of breathing that feels right for you now. And being in your centre, just noticing how it feels. Is it tight and held, open, free-flowing? And are there any sensations that you are aware of? Can you sense any colours, warmth, coolness, or any other impressions? And lastly, breathe into your centre again, just simply intending balance. So keep your focus gently on your centre and bring to mind either a way of thinking you are aware of, or a relationship that you have where you know there is a need for more balance, more peace, clarity, or harmony. And if you wish, you could represent your chosen situation as a set of scales. And how do the two pans look at present in relationship to each other? And ask yourself what needs to change or be reimagined. What lies within your control to change, and what lies outside of you, perhaps to be discussed with another person. How can you start to make the changes to create the state of balance and peace that you wish for? So now simply allowing the sounds of the instruments to support you, to create the space for you to ask questions, to explore, and to be open to what you experience or any insights that you may receive. And as always, I will hold the time, and I will come and collect you when we have completed our journey. So take your attention back to your centre, and in particular, the flow of air through this space as you breathe in and out. Allow this area to relax as you reflect on your experience, and if you wish, give thanks. Allow the focus on your centre to soften and release your attention from this area. And then be aware of your whole body. Just feel its weight. Feel the floor underneath you. Breathing in and out. As you breathe out, really start feeling your connection with the floor. Be aware of your physical body. And slowly widen out your awareness. Keep your eyes closed, but become aware of the room you are in. And once more, breathing in and breathing out, sink downwards as you breathe out, connecting with the floor. And still keeping your eyes closed, notice any sounds and sensations around you. And before we start to move, connect again with your breath. And on the next in-breath, open your eyes. Be in your room. Notice how you're feeling. And in particular, make sure that you feel fully present. So you may wish to relax and rest a while longer. But if you now want to continue with the rest of your day, begin to move your fingers and toes, your hands and feet, your wrists and ankles, and slowly start to stretch and move however you need to bring yourself back fully into this and every moment. Take your time. You may like to have a drink or something to eat, but know that you are able to listen and respond to what you need and give yourself the space to do this. And so from here it's up to you how you move forward. And you may want to write down or record any insights that you have received. And in doing this, we are starting to integrate any received information in concrete, practical ways into our day-to-day lives. As this is a new moon, use the time ahead to return to this inquiry and see if you get any more insights, being aware of the growing lunar energy to support you. You could even draw a set of balance scales and check in regularly. See how the scales balance out over the days, weeks, even months ahead. It is very unlikely that they will stay in the same position. Pay attention to any nudges that you receive and trust that you can make changes. Hold a clear point of intention and imagine those scales finding their balance. So may you find insight, balance and peace with this new moon energy. Take care, everyone, and go well.